Welcome to day 4 Paxember. We're headed to a new spot. Should be fun. We have arrived, Mr. Ranham, and we are
Day 4.
Day 4, and there's our spot off in the distance. Though I'm not sure how close we're going to get over there, but there's some pretty good trees and whatnot around here. So we're going to do a quick rip. Hopefully we don't get kicked out, and should be fun. Stacy from the future here. Just want to preface this next part here. I'm a chicken. I didn't really do anything amazing. Didn't even talk very much because I was nervous. Because there was an event going on and I didn't know where the people would be. So I didn't make the best use of the space. But hopefully you guys enjoy this anyways. And hopefully future days will be better. Now on to the video. Alright, so we're going to plan where I want to stand at. Yeah, let's do this. I think I'm going to mount it on a tree here somewhere. Oh, that's a good spot actually right there. Ha ha! Clapsig! Video. There we go. Cruising. Checking this spot out here. Over the water a little bit there. It's getting a little gutsy. There's a bird. Checking this place out here a little bit. Let's come back. Let's see here. Running down these trees.
30 seconds.
Get on this way, yeah.
Seconds.
Down low on the sidewalk. The trees. Alright. I'm talking nearly as much this time. I'm a little nervous. In the service flying here. Not knowing the spot very well, not knowing the range. There I am. There's Randall. The trees. Good orbit here. I'll better land. Oh. I landed.
I went into the jaws, did you?
No, I didn't fly inside there because those people were like in the front there. And so I didn't want to go above there either at the top there.
I flew inside there, and then I got kind of trapped. You had to always drop down,
Yeah.
and I got kind of trapped.
All right, guys. We will see you tomorrow for day number 5. Don't be late.